Alright, hello YouTubers. We're gonna do a bike review on my bike, which doesn't have a name. I don't know, it just sucks, but it's really light. So we just got the standard wheels, not that great, but whatever. And just got a dirt jumping frame. Got a huge sprocket, one-piece cranks, plastic pedals. Got a pretty good chain. Seat with a really big seat post right there, and I got some We the People Crisis stock handlebars that are spray painted, and as you can see, kind of the handlebars, stem, fork, and headset are completely broken, but whatever, who cares, getting a new bike anyway. And just got some Animal Edwin De La Rosa grips, pretty awesome. Yep, that's it, pretty much. Peace, homies.